How to add products to your wish list on Temu. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Temu application on your device. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, to add products to your wish list on Temu, scroll through and find the order that you want to add to your wish list and tap on it. Once you have opened the product, scroll down and navigate to the Product Details tab. You will then see the Save option. Tap on that, and as you can see, the item has been saved to wish list. So now to view the wish list, go back to your home page and tap on the U option on the bottom center of your screen. And now in the interface that you will be led to, in between the browsing history and followed providers option, you will see the wish list option. Tap on that and you will see your wish list. So this is how you can add products to your wish list on Temu. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.